How to find parental control settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find parental control settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here you will find these 3 points in the bottom corner, and then go down, click settings, and now click here parental controls, and now here you can manage parental controls on Roblox mobile, and that's how to find parental controls on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and then see you in the next video.